The sun's gift. The evolving lifespan of solar panels. Solar panels, also known as photovoltaic (PV) panels, have been increasingly popular over the past few decades as a clean, renewable source of energy. They convert light into electricity, providing a sustainable alternative to traditional fossil fuels. But how long do solar panels last? And what advancements can we expect in the future? The lifespan of a solar panel. The lifespan of a solar panel depends on a number of factors, including the quality of the materials used, the manufacturing process, and the environmental conditions under which the panel is used. On average, most solar panels are designed to last for 25 to 30 years. However, some high-quality panels have been known to last even longer, up to 40 years or more. Over time, the efficiency of solar panels tends to decrease, meaning that they generate less electricity as they age. But advances in technology have allowed for the development of more durable and long-lasting panels. For example, new materials and manufacturing processes have been introduced that help to prevent weathering, corrosion, and other forms of degradation. Future advancements. In terms of future advancements, the solar industry is constantly working to improve the performance and longevity of solar panels. Some of the most promising developments include the use of new materials, such as perovskites and silicon-based materials, which are more efficient at converting light into electricity. Additionally, researchers are exploring the use of nanotechnology and advanced coatings to improve the durability and resistance of solar panels to environmental degradation. Another area of focus is increasing the energy density of solar panels, meaning that they can generate more electricity per unit of area. This would allow for smaller and more efficient panels, which could be particularly useful for remote or off-grid applications. In conclusion, the lifespan of solar panels has greatly improved over the past few decades, and we can expect to see even more advancements in the future. With the world increasingly focused on finding sustainable and renewable sources of energy, the development of more efficient and longer-lasting solar panels will be critical for securing a cleaner and more sustainable future.